Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. In one of my classes last week, a student of mine told this particularly horrific story of how her 11-year-old daughter was punched a couple of times in the face by a young boy the same age as her, from the same class as her, and how upsetting this had obviously been for her daughter. She was umming and ahhing about whether or not she should report this to the school authorities. I think she probably wasn't sure that she could trust the authorities to act upon this information. To me, this seemed like a no-brainer of a question. Of course it should be reported, and pressure should be put upon the school to take action in this particular instance. Because where you have an 11-year-old boy who already thinks it's okay to punch girls in the face, you potentially have someone who could go on to do much more serious things in the future. And so this kind of behaviour needs to be nipped in the bud. If you talk about nipping problems or bad situations in the bud, you basically mean taking action to stop them from becoming bigger problems or to stop them from becoming worse in future. I think it comes from the idea of gardening, where you have the bud of a flower, and if you nip it in the bud, you kind of crush it or kill it to stop it turning into some kind of evil flower of some sort. You may have been told that we don't often use idiomatic language in formal reports, etc. However, you often hear this idea of nipping things in the bud in news stories and journalism. So you might hear something like, inflation will only get worse if the government doesn't act immediately to nip the problem in the bud, on a news report. Or you might read in a newspaper or in a news article about how lots of serious illnesses can be nipped in the bud if they're detected early enough. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. It helps other people find out about what we do. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use nipping problems in the bud.